Okay. So pointers and arrows. So we will do pointers, arrows, and all those others. Package, pointers, arrows, and there seems to be typo here. Okay, so what does this section do? We want to do something like let I don't know. Okay, so we will create one thing, and I don't want it. Okay, we should be able to deposit 10, then get balance. We want this to be 10. That does not work. Now we do a time wallet, which is a struct balance, and that could be, let's make this a float. No. Right. This will still fail because it's a float 64. Can I do? Go. There we go. I know there is a method to actually do this, or blah. That is short form syntax. There is not. Beautiful. Okay, let's go back. So to all it is, we created a deposit thing. Yeah, I mean that fails. Balance with this. What is okay, great. So we make it into pointers. That's what we have. We will also. What? difference? Well, this is pointer. Pointer. Difference is the receiver type is wallet. It's pointed to wallet rather than just wallet, which you can read as a pointer to a wallet. Okay, now you wonder, why did they pass? Why did we didn't dereference the pointer function like so? Okay. Assuming they address the object directly, in fact, the above code is absolutely valid. However, then we need to write this. What I need to dereference is automatically dereferenced. Oh, that goes to the spec. Nice. So, method values. Then refactor. We said we're making a Bitcoin wallet. Give me another second here. Okay. This is interesting. Okay. Making Bitcoin int. Okay. Let's make this a float. Let's make this a Bitcoin. And this makes it a Bitcoin. This makes it a Bitcoin. Fail. Mismatched. Okay. This to be Bitcoin, and now it should work. Great. Beautiful. So this is actually the nice part. Right. We matched all our types up. In the implementation, we run the test, and oh no, let's zoom in. Come on. Zoom in. Great. So here we are, right? So, okay, run my package tests, and I have everything matched up here. And this is the test wallet, and then it says, okay, let's blah, 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 blah. Invalid operation. God does not equals 1. It's match type, so we couldn't build. And in here, we should be able to... Why is this not doing anything? I don't know. We should be able to run the tests. Run the pointers and errors tests, all of them. Oh my god, it failed. Compilation failed. No other error. This is the error. And here we want to make this a Bitcoin. Save that. Test runs. Is it running? Come on. Why is it not running? So by view is list view is tree. If that. Okay, now this is working. This here we go back to output and everything is beautiful. Okay. Now we should be able to make a func. Yes. Okay, that stuff has been imported. This could be a test wallet string SRS should fail. Why? God. What? Why is this not failing? Um, what is a string in that case? C, right? That's not matching up. So what we typically would do is form dot print this. So we want that. Okay, we want this to be .02 etc. Okay, 2. That's 0, 2, and you want to save it, and then now got 10, 1, 10 dot this. Now it works. Beautiful. To make Bitcoin, just use the syntax, this and that. Implement the stringer, that's what we did. Write the tests first. Okay, so here, we'll then deposit this, we'll then deposit that. Okay, try to run the test. Oh, withdraw. Okay. Test wallet. Deposit. Now we're going to do funk test wallet with raw T and test T. So let's make a new wallet. 20 Bitcoin, withdraw 10. God, want. This should not work because I cannot withdraw yet. But great, okay. So withdraw is actually that could be I could do a return deposit this. Oh yeah, I can't return here and do that. Oh, all of a sudden it works. Great. But I should also not be able to, if amount larger than this, you don't have enough money. That's it. Okay, that works. Now we should be able to do something like test k equals name withdraw funds, withdraw without funds. That looks okay. And then for all the test cases, run it with a name, draw the amount. Where is my TC1? Okay, that's defined up there. And we're done. So our pause. Okay. So withdraw without funds. We want to do a balance of 20. Withdraw 30. We still want to get 20 back. Okay. That looks nice. Sure, why not? Okay. And now we should be able to kill this. That. Deposit. String. Cool. Okay. So we're back. Where were we? Let's. What's this? Okay. Beautiful. So we ran a test. The test said to do formatting and opposite of deposit. Okay, that's what we did up here. And we can move that over at some point. Don't do that yet. Cool. Right enough good to make it pass. We did that. We refactored. Oh, assert balance. What is that guy doing? Helper function. We get a wallet and we want Bitcoin. Okay, that's pretty much all there is. So this part is getting moved out. So we will create a bank third balance, which takes a DB. That's our wallet. We wanted T dot. Oops. It will return something like an error, I guess. Return an error. Why is this complaining? T helper undefined. What? T helper is undefined is pointed to interface, not interface. Oh, yeah, that has to be like this. Because if we have point interface itself is, how do I phrase that? The interface itself is something I can already call. Pointed to an interface, I have to get that back. Okay, so here we have one and we have assert balance. Do this. No. We have a want, right? we have a want Bitcoin number. Ah, great. Do that, and we want 10 Bitcoin. And the test wallet string is pretty useless. We want to stick with that. We want this to be like that, and this to be like that. And we want an assert balance. That's good. We can kill this. Okay. So here instead of got DC range test cases. Yes, we want to have assert balance. Okay, nice. We could make this into a test wallet operations, right? Yank. Undo. Yank. Go to the end, paste it in. Test wallet operations. Great. We have a wallet, an amount, and an operation, which is a func that takes an amount of Bitcoin. Great. Name wallet amount of Bitcoin, and we are getting a no, that's not working. That is not working because we need to have a method and not just a function. So if I am here, I will essentially do func, which takes a pointer to a wallet amount of Bitcoin. And now I could do that, right? What is this? Why is this not okay? Not really clear in this block. Amount Bitcoin deposit. Damn it. That is deposit, and that is this. And now it works. Beautiful. And the withdrawal is actually here we're going to do a w dot deposit amount, and here we want to do a w dot withdraw amount. Okay. Operation. Wallet. Okay, that's with raw, and that's Bitcoin. Good. That's again withdraw, and now we want a dot operation with a wallet and here we want deposit 10. Okay. Deposit. Great, cool. You don't have enough money. Withdraw without funds. Let's see. Deposit failed? No, withdraw without funds failed. Okay. Let's remove this. Okay, so we have test wallet operations, withdraw with funds, withdraw without funds. I don't have enough money. Deposit. Okay, and that passes. Run, pass, run, pass, run, run, run. Pass, pass, pass. Beautiful. Okay. Let's say we go here, deposit, withdraw. Okay. This is deposit is a function that takes a wallet and draw is this, that. Lowercase, we save all that, and great. Nice. You don't have enough money. That should be up here as well. You don't have enough money. Nice. Cool. Let's go. Write the first test. Factor with a balance. Withdraw with insufficient funds. Assert the balance. Then we did not get an error if error equals nil. Where? Okay. So we have to say deposit error. We return assert balance, and that is also an error. If got we do a return with error f and do nil. Okay, and we can say if error is nil, now we make it an error. So let's test wallet deposit. That's if error equals now it passed. That's beautiful. Deposit withdraw, but we cannot really withdraw because that should give me an error. F save save it. Oh, so same thing. If our error equals this error. Okay. This should not have. This should fail. Test wallet operations. Test wallet operations. And same thing if error equals this. This is an error, and this is an error. No value. Deposit should throw an error. Okay. Deposit. Incompatible assignment. Why is this incompatible? It's the bug that returns error. Okay. We will say type this. And now we want to say pop, and that's system operation. Save that. Great. Fail. Test wallet. One error is an error. It's a boolean. Okay, without funds. Okay, we want that to be false. We want that to be true. We want that to be false. Okay, if error NTC want error equals false. Yes, great. That's not nice. This can do this, that. Nice. This is nice. Great. So withdraw insufficient funds. Output balance. Okay. We have withdraw. If tutor helper if error equals nil. What? Assert error. Why is that guy doing assert error instead of just assert this or that? So run this error, assert balance. Okay. We go for assert. Balance. I combined assert error and assert balance. That, this, that. T dot error F. Okay. Mark the error, which is a T and test dot. This is a helper. We don't just this. Yes, one is a lot better. If error is nil, yeah, wanted this, but that error nil. That's error F. Okay. Set here. Oh, yeah. Nope. Actually, that. That. It's a balance. Ah, that's better, I think. I like that a lot more. Why? Why do I like that a lot more? Because we just assert the error and we are essentially assert balance. Checking for a balance and check whether it is what we want it to be. And if it's not what we want it to be, then we can say it failed. Assert balance. Balance. Assert balance use this value. Okay, here we go. That is that. Now it passes. Okay, that's the simplest thing, I think. And I believe that could be it, right? Okay. So let's go and now test, right? The first test. This is update our help to compare against. So that guy is doing that, try to test, withdraw, and so on. Oh, no, insufficient funds. Great, we are doing something like, let's see. Are insufficient funds, you don't have enough money. Let's search for that, return error insufficient funds, don't have money. This passes. Oh, we want this and that, and what we want is the operations. One error, which is error. Want error equals nil. Want error equals insufficient funds. Oops, and this is also no error. Cannot convert type false. And let's go to 70. If want error, and if error and error not nil. Test deposit. Test operations. Errors is error and target. Fail. You do not have enough. You don't have enough money. There insufficient funds. If my balance when I withdraw is not right, test wallet operations, that's where it fails. Does it fail on test wallet withdraw? Yes, it fails on test wallet withdraw. And not errors is this. Why is this not doing it? So, sorry, I have to get a little bit more overview. So, here we go, test wallet withdraw. Want. Okay, and we need a want error. It's an error. And we want error insufficient funds. Okay, and I want a TC want error. What? Error is much better. Okay, so test wallet operations, withdraw funds, and this is what is this printing? I don't need this to be printed. Test wallet. Return. What? Give me a string. That's it. Error set. New. Great. And now if I get an error, now we are to be. This, of course, must not be error we expected, and we so beautiful. At this point, I think we can get rid of the test withdrawal. Beautiful. Let's kill that. And do the same thing for deposit. Let's save this. And now we have a wallet string. We're testing the operations, withdraw, draw, deposit. Beautiful. Okay, so we have our specific error here. Okay. Asset balance, asset error, and now the test is easy to follow. Asset balance, test wallet string, and asset balance should be somewhere down here, right? Test wallet operations. Say asset balance is a function that takes stuff in. We right method is functions to go to the right method. Great. Now we have our test cases set up. Ugly and long. To check all of these things and everything set up. Unchecked errors. Whilst the Go compiler helps you a lot. Sometimes there are things you can still miss. Error handling can be tricky. There's once error without tested. Find it right following in a terminal. Okay. Copy this. Grab a terminal. Let's install. Okay. Now I want to run air check. Air check. Great. We want to go to air check. Oh, wallet deposit 10. We should get something like this. What this is telling us is that we have not checked the error being returned on that line. Okay, so we can do this, we can do that, great. And we want to go to 16 something. This and to wallet deposit 41. So now we're checking the error. Beautiful. That would be nice to get some sort of linter while doing stuff. balance, helper, assert helper. Where is this wallet? That line of code, a microwave withdraw error, because we have not checked that if the withdrawal is successful, that an error is not returned. Okay, but we are checking this. The withdraw is successful. Let's see. Passes. Okay, wrapping up pointers. No copies values when you pass them. The affected code takes a copy. It's very useful. Pointers can be needed. Okay, when a function returns a pointer to something, errors away. By listing, don't just check errors, handle them gracefully. That means what? Errors are just values. Okay, sentinel errors. First category. Makes sense. Inspect the output of error. Okay. Otherwise, problem is they create a source code dependent between two packages. As an example, check if an error is equal to I must import the package here. That does not so bad. Common. Yeah. Avoid sentinel errors. How? Error types. But how do I avoid those sentinel errors? Okay, that's fixed because we now have errors is, I guess. Strings. That's great. Problems, no problems. Avoid error types. Opaque errors. Third category, in my opinion, this is the most flexible. Yeah. In a small number of cases. Sufficient. For example, is temporary error. That is, it does. Then the error is not temporary. Okay, not just check errors handle it gracefully. Two problems. Turn authenticate our user. Why can't I just return this? Yeah, but this is a simple software application code. This code is I cannot tell where the original error came from. If authenticate turns an error, up main body. Okay. Ooh. But this method is incompatible with the sentinel because converting the error value to a string, merging it with another string, and converting back. Annotating errors, func wrap, func cause, Create file errors.wrap. Okay. Return, and now I should be able to do errors dot join new unwrap errors dot join errors package errors new function wraps error to create wrapped errors. Okay, so I should essentially do something like let's see, error f cannot withdraw wrapped error. And that return errors nil errors to wrap, but that should, but I mean this should okay, that seems interesting. Index is join returns an error that wraps the given errors. Okay, any nil values are discarded. So we need to say this is bad. Okay, we are doing errors dot join. Any nil error values are discarded. Join returns nil if errors contains the no. Run package tests. That passes. Okay. So let's go ahead. Create new types from existing ones. Useful for adding more domain-specific meaning to values, and it can let me implement interface pointers and a big part of Go. Okay, so that's it. Let's finish up and hope that we actually move stuff to a beautiful new file of pointers and arrows. We will go all the way down up until here. And now we'll say file wallet.go. We will paste stuff here. We have errors. We don't need testing. Go here. We will go package pointers and errors and save that. We should be able to run our tests and everything is okay. Let's go here, let's go there, let's do this, erasing slices. Before we do that, let's commit our last stuff. Let's interfaces. Commit. And we will go with struct methods interfaces. Okay, this. Yes, do we have a git ignore exe and daemon? Let's leave it in there. Okay, commit that. pointers and errors. Add all of this and we'll say pointers, errors, initial commit. I think we have commits. We will, let's see, close everything to close all the things. Then rebase, interactive rebase. And there is a big reword. Start to rebase. Structs and so on. Great, that's beautiful. Let's kill this. Publish. Can I publish this to GitHub? Let's see, what do I have in here? Array, slices, integers. Integers, great. Sure. Publish to a public thing. Let's go to github.com and go with tests. Great. Also, here, .md. Exercises from beautiful, thank you. Here let's go test flags. I don't know if I really want. Let's go here. Let's go there. Let's go to that one. Run package. Run package tests. Beautiful. Should be able to go here and see coverage. All that. Test all that. Test cover profile. Let go. Why? No, we got it. Click it here, click it there. Let's do this, let's do that. Let's make it think one time. Test 58. 58. T.error. Nil. So we expected this and got that. That's something that works. That's this or no. Do this. No. That should. Cool. Pointers errors. Better output wait tests. In the wallet. Let's do that. Let's do this. And now settings. Everything. Go ahead, save the changes. Yeah. And now we will clickety. Beautiful. So we're done. Thank you. That's it.